guys, happy President's Day. We're gonna continue with the top 5 print on demand niche research of the week, episode 60. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I get in, before I get into those niches, I just want to talk about Tuesday, February 2nd, 2022. It's tomorrow, and I just wanted to throw out these two designs here. Actually, this one is my favorite. I just thought I should put it out there. It's not a niche because obviously it's tomorrow, and I've been singing this February 2nd, 2022 for 2 weeks now. So I just wanted to show you guys this is a cute design, and this one here with the American flag. So now let's get into the top niches of the week. So niche number one is this St. Patrick's Day, and he has this what's this called? Four leaf clover. Yes, this four leaf clover, and it says let the shenanigans begin. Quite a simple, only word design shirt, and it's not doing bad, guys. 18.99. You see how the letter shenanigans begin, right? It's in green, then it's on a dark shirt. And I've seen other shirts that are completely green with black text. So you can do it either way, and you definitely make some sales. So this is in a .com marketplace, and let's take a look at the base. I'll see how well it's doing. Actually, current trend is up, and it fell down here, then increased again. So it's actually doing well right here. It's a projected to approach 1, so it's doing quite well. So that was St. Patrick's Day. We have another St. Patrick's Day shirt here. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day, and you have a dino. You know, most designs that have to do with dinos, they do quite well. This one is an example because kids are just so obsessed with dinos, you know. So if you have a design that you want to decorate more, and if you include a dino, the chances that it's gonna sell is pretty high. So that's just what I've noticed. And I don't know why this person has over like 171 sales and is pricing it just at 1307. That was the first thing I noticed. I just couldn't remove my eyes from it. It pains me a little bit because even if you want to be at a low, like price low, at least put it 13.99. So with every sale that you're having, you're getting something in your pocket. 1307 is the base price. That means you're getting nothing. Are you just going to you're virtually just uh, giving out everything? At least have something in your pocket. So over 150 reviews, so you can imagine how many sales this person has had. It should be more than 171 for 150 reviews, because what I've noticed is that, like, if you divide the number of reviews, like if you multiply the number of reviews by 2, that's actually the number of sales. And if you divide the number of sales by 2, you will have the number of reviews. So I'm thinking that this sales is more than 171. Just imagine more than 171 sales price at the base price, you're getting nothing. At least put it at 13.99. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next niche. This is Mardi Gras niche number 2. It's kind of a funny design. It says it ain't gonna suck itself. Oh my goodness. And it's priced $22.95. Wow. Not a bad rail today. I think it's $5. No, is it $6 or so? Yeah, or 7 if I'm not mistaken. And wow, on his shirt, you rarely come across these prices. This person is actually doing a great job, and people are still purchasing at this price. 123 sales or more, and you have no reviews yet. You see what I was saying, right? When you normally divide the number of sales, then you get a number of reviews. Don't worry, in a couple of maybe weeks you see reviews here. So and I don't know why this person is not putting any bullet point or description. Even if you don't want to write what is on the shirt, at least put a description relating to, like, maybe a animal lover, because it's actually a crawfish. Some people say lobster. I'm actually confused which is, to be sincere. And anyway, at least put a bullet point in a description relating to an animal or something of that sort. You don't just leave it empty like that. I wouldn't recommend this. So next is also Mardi Gras. It says that the shenanigans begin. It has this de ris, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, fleur de lis. Yeah, fleur de lis. That is what it's called. Let the shenanigans begin. Quite a cute design. Has those bold colors, green, yellow, purple, and it's just quite a beautiful design, guys. So this is niche number two. Niche number three is this Ronnie, Bobby, Ricky, Mike, Ralph, and Johnny. I don't know why this is trending, but I usually tend to keep away from shirts that have names because most of the time these names are trademarked. Yeah, they're trademarked. So any design that has names, I tend to keep away from it. But if you know why this design is trending, please let me know in the comment section below. But it's doing quite well. Price 16.99. Price 16.99 will have over 186 sales, so on one review. So it shows that it's a new shirt and no description too, but bullet point. So um yeah, I really like to know why this shirt is trending. So we move on to, I think it's niche number three or so, and we'll have this one Earth Day, niche number four, Earth Day every day. So to be surprised, can you imagine that Earth is like the Earth itself is trademark? I was very surprised. Like, how can you trademark a planet? Do you own the planet? Nobody owns it. So why would they even agree to trademark the name Earth? That's just ridiculous. Anyway, I was so surprised that Earth, the word Earth, is trademark. I just had to put it out there, and at there every day. You see how the shirt is in green, right? The shirt is predominantly in green. That means the person remove all the darker colors, because if you want to put the shirt in green, you have to remove the black color, the navy, I think the red and the purple. Yeah, in order to have this green color. Yeah, it's just what I've been testing and it's what I've noticed. So if, for example, for St. Patrick's Day, if you want maybe a green shirt, let's see if these ones have green shirts. Yeah. So if you want a green shirt for St. Patrick's Day, that's what you do. So Earth Day every day is another shirt for Earth lovers, sustainability lovers, forest, and anything that has to do with green. So that's why the shirt is green. Then it's just a quite nice design, and let's move on, guys. So that was it. Earth Day. Next niche number five. Pretty Black and Educated. Obviously, we're still in the Black History Month, and we have this cute shirt for cute little girls, and it says Pretty Black and Educated. And this one has a bullet point. So even if you don't know what to put in the description, guys, so what I do is I just basically combine what I have in my first bullet point and my second bullet point, and I put it as a description. So you see how you have this machine wash here and you have all of this, right? So what I do is I take this one and put it here. Even though I wouldn't recommend that you do something like machine wash, because that is not particular to the design. So if you to write maybe Pretty Black and Educated here, so you have in the title, you have in the bullet point, and you have in the description. Because I don't even see Pretty Black and Educated here. Let me see. Let's read more. So in Black history. So what you want to do, I don't see any Pretty Black and Educated here. So what you want to do is you put in your the keyword that you want to use, put in your title, put in your bullet points, put in your description. So yeah, you're ranking more for those words. So if Pretty Black and Educated is a word you want to rank with, put it in the title, description, and bullet point. So if you don't have anything to put in the description, you can just combine both bullet points and put in the description. At least that's what I do. And quite a cute design. Let's move ahead. So we're gonna go to the deleted designs. This one was removed February 20th. All of them were removed February 20th. So I'm just gonna do a quick scroll so we can take a look at all the designs that have been removed. I don't know why they have been removed. Maybe it's something related to their bullet points in the description. So this was related to St. Patrick's Day, and it even shows you the marketplace it was removed. So you might want to check and find out in that marketplace if a word is trademarked. Yeah, obviously this one survivor is trademarked, so I know why this one is removed. Anyway, so if you have Flying Research or if you want Flying Research, the link is in the description below if you're interested. There's also a coupon code there, and let's just move into a new segment. So, okay, guys, we have a new feature on Flying Research. It's called Social Media Holidays. So this is my new favorite. Before I was using the one from Printful, and it has been really helpful. But for now, I'm gonna be using this social media feature, new feature here on under Flying Research, and it gives me all the holidays in all the years. So you have these ones in yellow that have been starred. These are the ones that are very, very huge, and these are the ones that you should take note of. So you can even search here in a month if you want, because the holidays are so many, you're gonna be scrolling forever. So if you want to go to May, just click May here and it takes you directly to May. And if you want to go maybe to February, where we are right now, it takes you there. So if you want to focus on maybe March, because we're in February now, looking forward to March. So we're gonna be looking at March designs that holidays that we should be focusing on. And you see here, right here, it shows you the one like the biggest of them all, St. Patrick's Day, and that is on March 17th. So the big holidays that we should be focusing on in March is Mardi Gras, International Women's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and Earth Hour Day. I didn't even know that that was a thing. I know that there's Earth Day, but I didn't know there was Earth Hour Day. So I actually had to research about it, and I learned something new. So this is for print on demand, because I've seen other holidays that is like general holidays, but this one is made particularly for print on demand. They're looking at niches that we can focus on as print on demand sellers, and that's why this is just awesome. So guys, yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.